us ladies especially, you know what, you don't have to live with ugly stretch marks anymore. Here to explain an effective laser treatment are Dr. Carrie Sweeten and Yael Israel from the Charisma Center for Medical Aesthetics. It's good to see you both.
Good morning.
This is exciting news because just about everybody I know has some sort of stretch mark, stomach, legs, and this is a brand new FDA-approved procedure, correct?
Yes, it's a laser treatment that was FDA approved specifically for stretch marks.
What were people doing before? I mean, we've seen the creams, people have been lathering them on. Did any of that stuff really work?
Most medical experts agree that the stretch mark creams do not work. The other option is surgical excision, like a tummy tuck, to remove the stretch marks from the abdomen.
Right.
And then there is another modality, it's called an intense pulse light, but that's more for the color of the stretch mark as opposed to actually treating the stretch mark.
Okay, so let's talk about the procedure because it looks nice and simple and no pain, but a lot of gain. So we've got some video. Show us what you do, Yael, when you're working on people here.
Well, basically, I use the laser. It does use the micro beams.
Okay.
So the actual feeling of the treatment is very minimal, and the downtime is also minimal. You only have a little bit of redness post-treatment, and you can basically just go right back to work.
Wow, do you need a series of treatments?
Usually anywhere from 3 to 5 treatments. And the reason for that is because it is a micro beam, so it doesn't ablate the top layer of skin. So it covers a smaller area as we're working on that area. And just cumulatively, if you're having the 5 treatments, you'll still notice results anywhere from a month to 3 months after the actual treatment.
Wow. Now, Dr. Sweeten, who's a candidate? We have some pictures of some people who've had some pretty serious stretch marks. Does it work on those red ones? Does it work on the white ones? Do they work on both?
The beautiful thing about this is that it can treat all stretch marks, and no matter how old they are and what they are caused by, they all respond really well. And it also works for all skin types, even very light-skinned or very dark.
Yeah, because some people, pregnancy, weight gain, whatever, and these are some pretty serious ones that I'm sure people have been living with for years and has never shown their stomach, you know, outside of
Right, it
their
is
home.
very embarrassing. Some people are very self-conscious. It affects their self-esteem.
Sure.
And so it's a wonderful treatment because it's fast and easy. You get superior, long-lasting results. It's ideal for all scars, even acne scars, incisional scars, wounds, and it's very affordable.
Because we were talking about, you know, the stretch marks and how ugly they are. You see them from the outside, but you have a diagram here, and I guess I didn't know this, but the stretch marks are from under the surface of the skin.
Right, the damage is usually internally, and then it works its way externally. The treatment actually penetrates the skin and causes remodeling of collagen from within the skin. And then it also smooths out the stretch mark and reduces the redness.
Okay, so this will work, as you said, even if the stretch mark's 10, 15 years old.
Because some people have white stretch marks, some
Right.
people have red ones. It will even work with the white ones.
Huh. And Yael, how many treatments do you need?
Anywhere from 3 to 5 treatments
Okay, is recommended.
is recommended,
And
about a month apart.
a month apart. And the cost, can you do it in the summertime when you're out in the sun?
You can do it in the summertime. Because a lot of times if women have the stretch marks from pregnancy, they'll usually have that area covered up. So luckily, after they're all done with their treatment, they won't have to cover that area up anymore. So summertime, any time of year, you can do the treatment.
Wow, and you said the cost is pretty
It's
low.
affordable. It's as little as $250
And the
a
treatment lasts how long, Yael? About
The actual session?
Yes.
Oh, anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes.
Okay, so they can do it on their lunch break.
Lunch break.
Very nice.
Go right back to work.
It's an FDA-approved way to get rid of those stretch marks. So if you've been hiding your stomach or your legs for gosh knows how long, the cute little wraps that you never take off, you don't have to do that anymore. Thank you very much. It's nice to see you both.
You too.
So if you want more information on this great treatment, you can check out the Charisma Center for Medical Aesthetics. You can visit them at charismamd.com. There's the phone number right there on your screen. Now coming up.